I like it. We're talking about custom cars. I suspect it means cars that are modified. Where is Sukisha Daly?
Right here.
Where is Felicia Bartley? And where is Geisha Graham? In our Miami shirts. Morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smiles. Sukisha, since I call your name first, you come right here. Since I call your name first. This is yours?
Yeah, this is my pink car.
Yeah, what color was it when you bought it?
It was a white car.
Why you do this?
All right, so pink is my father's favorite color.
Mine too, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah, but why you did it?
I did it because I wanted to stand out. I wanted my car to look different. I don't want it to look like a factory car.
Yeah?
Yes.
Sukisha.
No, Felicia.
Felicia, that's yours?
Yes.
What color was it?
It was actually blue.
No, turn on. So it was
Blue.
this color?
Yes, it was that color.
But what have you done to it?
All right, so I changed the front.
Yeah?
I put modified the
Turn around, yeah,
Sorry.
just tell it, yeah.
Modified the lights, and
Yeah.
I did something to the interior.
Why?
Because of the motivation that I got from Sukisha. When I just joined the Vit Society group, she motivated me, and that's why it's like that now.
2 Vits.
Yes.
This look, this don't look Vitsish.
No, this is not a Vit.
Yeah. This is Geisha.
Yes.
What color was this when you bought it?
This car was always white,
Yeah.
but I've done, minor modifications to it.
No, mine I have on pink rim and that kind of stuff.
Well, I remember I did the pink rims because most times when I went places, people always say, no, this is not your car, this is your boyfriend's car. So I wanted to give it that female touch. So I went with the pink.
That's the only reason?
Not necessarily, but I like pink and yellow.
Yeah.
Yellow is my son's favorite color, so I kind of intertwine both.
Let me go back to Keisha. Did you modify the engine or just?
I modified the engine and also the trunk and also the doors.
So the engine is faster?
No, it's custom. It's airbrush done by GQ, and the back trunk was done by other person.
Yeah. Felicia, was it difficult to get this done?
No,
you
it
keep
wasn't.
turning your back. The people want to see your pretty face.
No, it wasn't difficult because I had I got the idea before I executed, so it wasn't difficult.
Looking like.
Why Vits? Why Vits? Why the Vits?
The reason why I didn't like Vicks, sorry, I didn't like Vicks, but my father chose Vicks for me, and when I got my car, it was stuck, and I dropped in every pothole because I didn't like it.
But you did that deliberately? Your father?
Yeah, I didn't
Daddy,
like it.
Daddy.
Daddy passed off.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's
I'm
okay.
Sorry.
Let me help you.
What's up? No, sir.
Fly door.
And then we're all also.
I want to read this, by the way. Chef, you see that? I agree. It says safe sex.
Yes.
Keep calm and condom on. I love it. Why the different colors?
All right, so my favorite color is neon green, but my father's favorite color is blue. So to gravitate to the fans and family, I choose colors. I love colors. I like bright colors. I like to be stand out as a female.
Yeah. And the door,
It's Lamborghini.
you change that too?
Yes, I
so you
change
just bossy. Well, before you look at it, make sure it is TV friendly.
It's Johnny Bravo.
Yeah, we can look at it with
Yes.
TV friendly. You modified your engine to Geisha?
Just simple airbrushing.
Open up that, make us see this one. No, so I love it. How many people in this society here that?
For now, we it's about maybe 18.
And everybody except Geisha Bavitz?
Yeah, well, she's a female and she's our friend. And also the Big Society name will be changing.
Changing to what?
It's going to be Mystery Society.
Mystery Society, I like
Yes.
it. Felicia, your one is the same thing?
No, the engine is not done, but the interior.
Can you see the interior, chef?
Yeah, man.
All right, come and go look on it now. Go on, so go on. And then more the skull you have. Felicia, be not just saying.
It's just for show.
What's that? Up your spider. No, never come see this. Up your spider. Spider on the seat. And skulls on the seat. No, so be not just Felicia. No, chef, pick up this for me, please. You can't say that, chef. No, me not trust that. We done with Felicia. Felicia.
Also, there's modification in the trunk of my car.
Modification in the trunk. Come, chef. What's that? No, man. No, chef, you need to can see this. This is a makeup room.
Yes.
And see our seat here.
Yes.
No, sir. I like it. It's a makeup room.
Nails on the top. No, face on the top, nails on the bottom.
Nails, everything.
Yes.
So you work out of this in a serious way?
Well, no. My father said I need to act more girly, so I put it in the thoughts.
But you don't use it.
I don't use it. I'm a chef.
It's just props.
It's just props.
But that paste down or something, let them not then drop
No,
or
they won't move. Trust me.
Gisha, what about your engine? It is faster now or no?
No, I haven't done anything performance-wise, but it's a 2003 Toyota Altezza,
Gearbox.
6-wheel forward, rear-wheel drive.
We can stay here, chef, or you want us to go back round? All right, let's go back round the front. Why I like this? I like this. So, Keisha, someone watching
did
this morning and want to be a part of this, what they have to do? Watch it. Michelle show up and with our door, you know.
I need to catch our interior as well.
Chef, come again,
Also the
chef.
chunk.
Go that side, the chef. And
chunk?
No, then we don't see that already.
No, the box seat, sorry.
Oh.
With my father picture, that represent my father.
Wow. No, sir. So if you're late, you can just sleep now this thing. Anyway, they just throw on a blanket and you can sleep. I love it. All right, come back around the front now, ladies. Yes, so Keisha, so if anyone wants to be a part of this, what they do? Come around the front here.
Okay.
Come, ladies.
Sorry.
What they need to do if they want to be a part?
All right, if they do want to be a part.
Turn and face the camera.
Sorry.
No, watch all our shoes. No, sir. No,
It
man.
was done by Omar from Waterford.
No, man, only two bossy, man. Only two bossy. Yeah, so if someone wants to be a part of this, is there any cost to join this or anything like that?
No, there's no cost to join a car group, and it's good as a female to be a part of a car group, because sometimes you go mechanic and them kind of rip you off. At least you have a second person to give you update, say, oh no, that's not the cost for it.
Yeah.
And it's more safer if you break down on the road, a team member reach out and help you.
I like that.
And outing also.
Any one of you ladies interested in racing or no? You don't want to be a race car?
I usually do it, but not anymore.
Yeah.
They call
Just
it
the pretty look.
The pretty looks, they call it, the guys and the car group, they call it rice. But I like it.
I love it. So Keisha, Felicia, and Gisha appear A. And Nevla. We'll go for a break. Nevla soon come back with Delia and Gata. Stay with us, please. We love it. Awesome. We love it.